Hello guys, good evening. Shivram here from the Profit Funnel University, and I'm so excited to meet and greet 300 plus people who have registered for the bootcamp too. So your participation, your interest, and your questions actually excite me. And teaching is learning every day. So basically, I'm looking forward to meeting people from different segments, different type of people having different challenges, different opportunities, different types of funnels. Probably I'm looking forward to learn at least 20 more types of funnels basically from you. So how do I learn? When you ask a question, I discover, I find a solution for that. So there is a Facebook group, there is a platform where you can actually participate, ask questions, submit your answers. If I ask question, you can actually submit your answers there. You can share your funnel diagrams and all this thing, because next 7 days we are going to build some funnels, build some funnel diagrams. So guys, let me show you also, what is the participant profile, what kind of people have come. Out of the 300 people, actually, this is the participants profile. Look at that. Real estate owner, marketing executive, managers, consultants, freelancer, social media marketer, quality manager, content manager, traditional business, MBA students, private job, business coach, proprietor, SEO. I don't know, what else? Oh my God. Operation executive, writer, business development head of a company, CEO, wow, volunteer, so real estate advisory. So we have nursing. So wow, what else? What else? Construction, housewives. Wow, beautiful, homemakers. So all these kind of people are coming, and I request you to fill up a form where actually I can understand your requirement better. So I'll be sharing a form like this, and it's basically ask your name, email ID, phone number. What we already have, so we are not asking any extra information. What you need is your profession, and what are the major challenges, in marketing for you. What are the major challenges in marketing for you, or for your business at present? What kind of training you are looking for, what kind of support you are looking for. Okay, if you need any execution support which you think that you don't need, you can't do, or you need, you can actually mention about that. Also, the nature or the business of the work, it basically means which industry you are from. So let's say education industry, healthcare industry, or what kind of business it is. So help me fill up this form, and I'll actually shape the next 6 days this boot camp for you, exclusively for you. This is a live boot camp, so this is not going to be played for the entire universe. So this is your boot camp, this is my boot camp, and we'll be discussing things here. So every day I share some content. You ask questions related to those funnels or those topics. I give you templates, you make use of it, build funnels, ask questions in the Facebook group, and we communicate and learn. So at the end of the 7 days, we have something to take home and take back to our business and basically learn from it. Isn't it exciting, guys? So I kept it 9:30 because by that time, all the businessmen, all the people who are already into something are done with their tasks, they are done with their dinner, and they are full. They are not coming empty stomach. Empty stomach people are very dangerous, like me. So we will have our dinner, spend 1 hour of quality time with each other, with other participants. People will ask questions in the live sessions also, and I want you to participate there. So help me fill up this form, and I'm looking forward to seeing you at 9:30 today, tonight, basically not today, tonight, and next 6 days. This 7 days journey, we want to make it count, make it worth, make it worth investing the time, attention, and energy me and you are giving. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. Do not miss. And yeah, there is no selling in this entire boot camp. So come with a free mind, come with an objective to learn. That's it. See you. Bye.